In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download non-copyright songs here on an iPhone. Before we do dive in this video, if you do find it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But maybe you're editing a video and you need some free music. To actually get some, open up Safari. Open up Safari because there's actually two great websites for this. The first one is actually going to be ncs.io. Hit enter. And the second one is going to be Pixabay. Hit enter and go to the website. Now from here you could choose either one of these. It doesn't necessarily matter. The steps are pretty much the exact same. But for example, here on Pixabay, what you're going to want to do is actually scroll in this right section up at the top and find music and select it, and then go to no copyright music right here. And from here, just scroll through and find whatever music you like. You can hit the play button to listen to it. And whenever you're ready, select download just like so, and then hit download one more time, and it's going to download right here. Or you can go into the download folder and either directly select it and listen to it here again in full, or select the share button and save it to your files. Now, once you do save it to your files, simply back out, go to files just like so. From this browse section, go into your downloads and find whatever song you did just download. In this case, it is right here. And if you want to hit the share button again, you can actually download it to your camera roll as well. It really is as simple as that. Your song's now going to be saved and ready to use. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.